Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all fine. Today, I'm gonna tell you about the process or steps in translating article from Indonesian to English language. And there are several process or steps that I can apply in translating Indonesian into English language. Okay, let's start with the first step. The first step is read all the text or document that will be translated. So in this step, we have to know what is the context of the text, such as what is being discussed in the text of the article. After we read all the text, we have to translate the text into English language. So here, we can translate the word that we already know the translation into target language, then looking for the words or phrases that we don't know the translation. So we can use the dictionary or any translation apps as Google Translate. And then if there is any difficult words or we are confused about the translated words that are suitable for the context of article, for the example, there is the word that will be translated has more one translation in the target language. So we have to go to the next step. The next step is we can get and read several articles with the same topic and the article already in the target language that we want to translate. From there, we can find the words or phrases that are difficult in translating to the target language. In this step shows whether the word translation is appropriate for the topic of the article. Actually, this step is not only needed when getting difficult words or phrases, but this step can also help us translate properly. After all the words have been translated, the last step is recheck the translation to ensure the translation done. This is the final of steps in translating. So that are the steps I used in translating Indonesian into English. For more details, I will try to translate 2 sentences in an article. And here we go. I take one of the article that was published on kompas.com. The title of article is Jokowi Pilih Nusantara Jadi Nama Ibu Kota Baru, Pansus RUU IKN beri catatan. And then I take 2 sentences that from this article that I will translate into English. In translating this, we use the steps that I have mentioned before. So let's start it. Okay, I have to read all the text of the article. And then after I read all the text of the article, I translate the sentences that will be translated into English language. The first sentence that I will translate here is keputusan pemerintah menetapkan Nusantara sebagai nama ibu kota negara baru yang terletak di Kalimantan Timur mendapat respons beragam dari anggota Panitia Khusus Rancangan Undang-Undang Ibu Kota Negara RUU IKN. So I will translate this sentence in literal translation. From the first, keputusan pemerintah in English is the government's decision. Menetapkan is designate Nusantara sebagai nama ibu kota negara baru. Nusantara is the name of the new state capital yang terletak located di Kalimantan Timur in East Kalimantan, mendapat respons beragam, received mixed response dari anggota panitia khusus from members of the special committee Rancangan Undang-Undang Ibu Kota Negara. So here in this sentence I get the phrase that might have a different translated word that I translate in literal translation or via Google Translate. Yeah, the phrase is rancangan undang-undang. So I look for some articles that are relevant with the Compass article before, and here is one of the article that was in English language, and I have read. I found the word that I was looking for. Rancangan undang-undang in English is the bill. In other articles, the press rancangan undang-undang also translated the bill in English. So, we continue our translation. Dari anggota panitia khusus, from members of the special committee, rancangan undang-undang for the bill, Ibu Kota Negara on the National Capital, RUU IKN. I will read all the translation of this sentence. The government's decision designate Nusantara as the name of the new state capital located in East Kalimantan received mixed response from members of the Special Committee for the Bill on the National Capital, RUU IKN. Move to the next sentence. The next sentence is, Ketua Panitia Khusus RUU IKN, Ahmad Doli Kurnia meyakini penetapan Nusantara sebagai nama ibu kota baru telah melalui pertimbangan panjang oleh pemerintah. So I will translate this sentence in literal translation. From the first, Ketua Panitia Khusus in English is Chairman of Special Committee RUU IKN for the IKN Bill. Ahmad Doli Kurnia meyakini, Ahmad Doli Kurnia believes that penetapan Nusantara, the determination of Nusantara sebagai nama as the name of Ibu Kota Baru, the new capital city, telah melalui, has gone through, pertimbangan panjang, long considerations, oleh pemerintah, by the government. So, the translation of this sentence is, Chairman of the Special Committee for the IKN Bill, Ahmad Doli Kurnia believes that the determination of Nusantara as the name of the new capital city has gone through long considerations by the government. After all the words have been translated, we have to recheck the translation to ensure the translation done properly. That's the process and example in translating article from Indonesian to English language. Happy for watching, everyone!